Good morning, Nathan. I am recording this video to demonstrate about the scrapping project, what has been done, what is pending, kind of that. Let's start with the console application. Oh, I'm sorry, it's desktop application, which we have developed earlier. And this application is used to scrap details about the products from the target websites. At the moment, I think only two websites are working, what you can say, clearly without an issue. Vesco and scan source. So let's see that uh, in reality. In interest to prevent time, I'm just going to select a file with 10 records, and it will we will try to search for the products for on the Vesco and scan source websites for those 10 products only. And to share with you, the search will begin on both of the websites at a time, and results will be shown in this section here. So let us start search. It's going to read the file, and it found 10 records. Now it is starting to log in on the scan source and Vesco websites. All right, signing on both of the websites has been completed. Search has started, and as we can see, we have found result from Vesco. W stand for Vesco. And scan source, yes, scan source didn't able to found that the product on scan source website. So this is how it will all process the records one by one, both on scan source and Vesco websites. We have to wait for a few minutes for these records to be processed on websites. We can see the status found, not found. And as per client requirement, if it's a camera or not, it is mentioning there, yes or no. double S in the ID section, it stands for scan source. Just to let us know that, yeah, products of Vesco, how many products of Vesco have been searched so far. Although source clearly state that W or SS stands for what. Okay, Vesco 8 and scan source has completed. It's searching within 1 minute. We reached to last product, and Vesco is searching for the last product from the file. Finally, uh, all products have been searched, and these details have been saved to database also, retrieve details. As you can see, we all have these results available here. Fine. This is the desktop application functionality, and I also believe that we are having the code here already mentioned. I have written here. I think that code might not been working in the past, so that's why we are not seeing the searching for the uh, what was the name of the ADA Global and BH Photo Video. So I will check that. But for now, this is the desktop application which we use for searching the products, or you can say scraping the products from the target websites. Second, we have also written a small web application The purpose of application is to let end user use it for their searching and be able to access the details of the products. Okay, let's start. Wait, I think I have used wrong site. Oh no, this is wrong site. Give me a moment. Okay, where is scraper? No, it should be only scraper. Close this down. Fine. Scraper is the product, or you can say website. Let's try to run it. I think along with recording, it is becoming a bit slow. Let's wait for a few more seconds. Come on, open up. I should open it manually. Now going to wait for it. Okay, let's wait for a page to open. Here we are, and I have implemented login functionality using Firebase. So just simple click login because I have already have an account. Oh, what's the problem? Oh, I'm sorry. I need to use different account. Okay, this one. Login into this account, please. Here we are. Not so much details, but I think it is showing us the records sorted by dates and product ID, product name. We can search for records from the date range, or we can look for product name or ID here. For example, I'm just interested to look for, oh, yeah, this feature is also there. I mean, you can see the specific products logs sorted by date wise. So, I mean, it can give you an hint that the product, I'm sorry, think, yeah, product name is Axis Mounting Hardware and Accessory Logs, and we were having, I mean, Scan Source was having 118 product stock, was not having, is having on today date with price range of 79.42, and on 28 it was the same stock, and on 30th October it was 89, I mean, items with the price range of 79.66 cents. So this is the page which you can use for looking for the specific product, and I'm going to go to back. Please go to back, and I'm just going to write manually enter the product number 1473001. Please search for this product. Okay, so it is showing us that it's only having two records of this product. I mean these two products, and yes, the names are different. That is why it is showing different entries here. I don't know why the names are different. Probably on scan source or on Vesco, the items might be having different names here. So this is short summarized website. It is not full-fledged website. The feature of searching is only restricted to product ID, product name. For example, I can attempt to search for Axis mounting. Search for me. Yeah, it work for that way. And we do have the logout feature. So if I click logout, I'm logged out from the website. That's all, guys, for the scrapping product status so far. We have the desktop application to scrap for the products on the Vesco and Scansol website. We already having the code for ADA Global BH photo video also. And however, I believe those two features or functionalities has not been implemented completely. That's why we are not seeing them in the desktop scraping status. And second, we have a website which is having the skeleton. You can say kind of structure is there, everything code, everything is there. We need to improvise it as per our requirement further. That's all for this status update. Thank you for watching it, and I appreciate and welcome your all feedback for this. Let me stop the recording.